All right, ladies and gentlemen, this video may very well be one of the most important and instructive and valuable videos that you see in the e-commerce space today. What I'm going to show you is a brand that is doing 100K per day, or at least has reached 100K per day, selling a very interesting product. I got my cat here with me. She's ready for the value. And what I'm going to try to show you here is how you can get your business to start snowballing this way, because that's really ultimately what it's all about, is continuing the momentum. There's a really interesting physics law that is called the law of conservation of momentum, which says that when you stop pushing something, when something stops being pushed, its inertia stops and it stops moving. It really is that simple. So let's not waste any time and let's begin. Now, before I show you the brand that I'm talking about, I will share with you a couple examples to really illustrate how you could get to this level. And really, I'm also doing this so that I'm incentivizing myself to get to this level. As you see on our challenge store that we started with ChatGPT and Shopify, you can find the links to those videos in the description, and I will be making an update soon, so make sure that you're subscribed. We reached $1,000 yesterday. So literally yesterday we did over $1,000 in sales in just a single day. And this was done almost automatically, or automated in a way, by using Meta's machine learning and ads. Sounds complicated, but this is more or less what it looks like. As you see, yesterday, March 27th, we spent $400 on ads, and that generated over 1,100 in sales. And as you see, it's distributed across a few different campaigns that we're testing. Some of these are not doing so hot, but some of these are killing it now. And unfortunately, if you want to get to this level in the most seamless, most predictable way possible, you will need to spend money on ads. So I wanted to show you this here just so that you understand that it's hard to do $1,000 in sales with no ads, unless you're doing TikTok organic and just like a bunch of things, right? But if you want to build a predictable snowball business, running ads is definitely going to help you, especially with Meta. And if you really want to get the ball rolling, being scared to spend money is not going to suit you well. And really, this is the exact same framework that we're using with some of our clients at Akemi on the agency side of things, where we're doing over 20K days here. So for example, the other day we did over 20K for this brand. And I'll categorize these campaigns for you so that you understand. This one here is where we tested our initial interest right here. And obviously it's not doing as well now because we're starting to scale. Here's where we're testing new creatives. Here is where we tested a scaling campaign. So we put some of those best interest in a CBO. Here's our retargeting campaign. And here is our first lookalike CBO campaign. So lookalikes are not dead. This is a campaign of lookalike audiences for people that have viewed 95% of the video that we're testing. And that's literally it. It's super simple, right? So now that you understand this, let's hop into this store that I'm talking about. It's called Hybrid Racing. And through this product right here, which is a racing shift knob, right, for a car, this is how they achieved 100K days. Now I'm using a spy tool here that I'm testing out. I'm not gonna be revealing what it is yet, just because I'm still figuring out exactly how accurate the data is. But so far, I've actually cross-analyzed the data with some of our client stores, with some of our internal brands, and it does seem to match up pretty well, which is pretty insane. And this brand in particular, it's saying that it's actually doing over 1 million a day in sales, but I don't want to say that just yet because that would just be insane. But let's just keep it conservative and let's say 100K per day. I think that's a much more conservative estimate. And when you put it in context with 1 million a day, it almost seems like nothing, right? It's through this product right here, which at a first glance, it doesn't look that special. It looks extremely simple, if anything. But that is kind of the beauty of it, is the simplicity, how fast it is, how intuitive it is to kind of understand everything on the website. It's very fast. It's easy to use, it's not so complicated, and it's targeting a very specific type of person, a very specific customer persona. That is the key right there. And if we take a look at their Facebook ad library, we can see exactly what I'm talking about here, where they're talking very specifically to a customer persona. So hybrid racing products are the result of our passion for Honda cars and an obsession with motorsport. We create high quality, innovative products based on our racing experience. Whether you have a street car, show car, or dedicated track car, our products are designed to help you achieve your goals. That is very specifically aimed at people who are into this kind of stuff, right? And that's why it converts so well. That's how they're able to achieve 100K days with a very simple landing page, very simple website Now, SimilarWeb doesn't say that they're doing that much. They say that they're driving over 100K monthly visitors. But as I just mentioned, I definitely believe that they've done 100K days with this simple product right here. And they do have a ton of other products as well. But this is just a great outside the box example of a beautiful Shopify store that is totally crushing it in terms of revenue, right? That is totally crushing it in terms of product selection, but that's also around a very passionate niche. I know people, for example, that absolutely love the car niche and they would love to have a brand like this. So it's not impossible to build a business that you actually have a passion for. In fact, it may even help you out a lot. There's a lot of contradicting opinions out there about whether you should build something you're passionate about or not. And obviously that's your choice to make. But it's good to note that there are examples of incredible businesses out there that are crushing it, that are in passionate niches that you would potentially love. And personally, that's my approach as well. I like to build businesses in niches that I actually like, that I actually enjoy selling in. And if you are just getting started, I definitely suggest that you check out the Shopify Brand Starter Kit at Akemi Lab. It's our product. It's the exact same template that we've battle tested all the way from scratch to 1K a day. And all this data that we gather on my YouTube channel and for our Discord server as well and Mastermind, that's what we've used to create this template. And it also comes with a course within it so that you actually learn how to use the template and can actually launch your business with the best approach possible. Of course, you don't need this product as long as you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. You check out some of the videos that I link in the description, you'll be ready to go. But this product is genuinely some of the best value in the e-commerce space, so I don't mind shamelessly promoting it. And ultimately, as I just showed you, I do believe that if you just stick to something for a long time and continue to iterate, continue to keep the ball rolling, you will be able to scale to huge numbers. I believe, for example, with this challenge store, we will be able to take it to 5K a day, 10K a day. And of course, it's not going to be an overnight process, but you already saw how we took it from 0 to 1K. So now we're going to do that same thing to take it from 1K to 5K, 5K to 10K. But that's about it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and learned a lot. Every single one of my videos, I try to jam pack with value, not just for you. It also helps me. I think it helps me internalize a lot of my thoughts and ideas. And we live in a time where thoughts and ideas are more valuable than ever before, especially with artificial intelligence becoming one of the best possible business assistants that you could ask for. So that's it. Get out of here and go build your business. And also check out some of the links in the description and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. But that's it. Peace.